guys, I'm Jessica, and today I have a little clothing haul. I got some stuff from Zara, and I wanted to try another store. It's called Stradivarius, at least I think that's how you say it, and it's one of the sister brands to Zara. But I got 2 items from Stradivarius, and then the rest are from Zara. So we're just gonna get right into it. We've got this little bodysuit number. It is really bright. It's neon green. I usually don't go for neon colors, but I couldn't resist this, and I have to take the tags off of everything because I haven't done that yet. And I'm going to be trying it on with these faux suede leggings. Somebody that I know has a pair of these, and I touched them and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get these when they go on sale. So I waited and I waited for like since the last sale that they had, and I got myself a pair of these in this color, and I also got them in black, which I will also be trying those on too. Let me take the tags off of these 2 things and then I'll try them on. So what I like about the bodysuit is the color, because I don't have anything this color and I just think it's really bright and fun, and I really like the style of the tank top. It fits perfect, which is great. These leggings, they look great too. I think they look really good with this bodysuit as well. I'm so glad I got these leggings because they feel really great. It could be dressed up a little bit more. I think this is a little more casual, and I think that's what's really cool about these leggings. They also have a zipper down here at the bottom, so you want to like open it up a little bit more, you can. And I'm guessing that's for people who might want to wear boots underneath the leggings, maybe. I don't know, or maybe they just want it open. So then I've got this crop top, and it's this burnt orange. I really wanted it in this like dark forest green. It just looks so pretty, but it was sold out in my size. And I did also like this color too, so I'm glad they weren't sold out in my size in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on with these pants, and it's a really soft material. It kind of feels like t-shirt material, but like soft t-shirt material. This is just giving fall vibes, and I love it. I love orange. This burnt orange is like really pretty. I really like it. I am glad that I got this color. And what's cool about this too is that it can be paired with like jeans. It's a nice long sleeve shirt, and it's pretty thin. I think it's not too thick, but I probably wouldn't really wear it in hot weather. This is definitely like something for cooler weather, but I love it and I think it looks great. Next up, we have these black faux suede leggings. They're probably gonna be just the same, but I'm gonna try these on, and I'm gonna try them on with a couple other items that I got from Zara. I also got this t-shirt, and it just has this detail on the sleeves that I really liked. I thought it looked cute, and it's always nice to just have a nice regular white t-shirt regardless of the fact that it has this on the sleeves. So these black leggings are equally as nice as the lighter ones I just tried on. I really like them. Can't wait to wear these. These leggings feel so good, I don't want to take them off. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I like that they're high-waisted, because a lot of shirts that are being sold nowadays are cropped, and I don't know, it just works well with cropped things. This shirt is really comfy, pretty loose, and it's actually stretchy material, which is really cool. It just makes it all the more comfortable. I really like the sleeve details. It just brings a little bit of femininity to the top. It's not just a regular white t-shirt. And then this shirt I had to get because when I was little, I actually was somebody who liked Yeti, and I saw this shirt and it was an Yeti shirt, and I just had to get it because I thought it was so cute. I just wasn't that kid to be afraid of Yeti. I thought Yeti was cool. So I got this shirt, and apparently it was like, I don't know if it is like a collaboration. It's been 40 years since Yeti came out. It says it on this little tag here. So here's the shirt, super cute. Oh, And then the back is just striped. And I think that's cool. I'm gonna try it on. Basically, at first I had gotten this just like as a chill shirt just around the house, but honestly I would wear this outside. This shirt is amazing to me. It's probably one of my favorite t-shirts I've ever gotten. And what's cool about it is, I guess you could tuck it in. I don't know, I just want to show it like fully as it is. I really like it. I think it's cute, it's fun, it's nostalgic. I just really like this shirt. It's actually really comfy too. I was actually surprised it didn't sell out as quickly as I thought it would. It was still around when I went to purchase it and I was like, what? This is the last Zara top and I got this because I thought it was cool and it could be paired easily with maybe an oversized jacket or just a regular jacket. It doesn't have to be oversized, but it's this top and this is faux leather. Alright, so here's what the top looks like on. I think, I mean it is kind of loose, but it's kind of weird because the zipper is like right here and then it kind of stops somewhere around here. So it makes sense that the top is a little loose. But other than that, I think it's cool. It kind of looks edgy. It could look edgy with the right stuff. I put these leggings back on because I felt like I'm one of those people where I notice the differences in black, and the black suede and this black top just wasn't working. That's why I put these back on, because I just wasn't gonna have that. I wasn't feeling that today. I think it's super cute, super fun. It kind of gives party vibes. I don't even go to parties. I also got this bralette from Stradivarius and it feels soft. It's thin, it's just meant to be comfy, but I really like this blue color. So I'm gonna take the tags off of this in a second. And then I also got this top from Stradivarius. So it's kind of like a racer back. And then it's kind of like the same thing on the front. But yeah. This one's ribbed material, and I thought this shirt was so cool. Gosh, I love stripes. I think I've said this in another video before, but I love stripes, and if I see stripes that I like, I can't pass it up. These are the last two items that I'll be trying on, so let me do this. This bralette fits really well. It's not too tight. It's really comfortable. I really like this bright blue color. Blue is just such a nice color. I like the stripe detail on the bottom here. It just makes it look a little sporty. It just fits nicely. I really didn't know how this was gonna fit since I've never purchased anything from Stradivarius before, but I think it works really well. Seeing as that it's one of Zara's sister brands, I didn't have problems with sizing. So I think that's awesome. And I'm gonna go ahead and try on the last top. So, like I said, I love the stripes. This shirt is really soft, even though it's like that ribbed material. Oh, it's stretchy. I just really like the way it looks. The stripes and everything just works so well. It's a really unique design. It's not something that I have. I saw this and I just automatically liked it and thought it was really cool. I'm really happy with this top. I'm happy with the bralette as well that I got from Stradivarius, because if this stuff didn't work, then I would be a little questionable. Well, I guess I would just stick to Zara, but I don't know, it's kind of cool. It's kind of like a new store, new place to look at. Oh, and I wanted to say, because I don't think I said it, Stradivarius was also having a sale, like when the Zara sale was happening. So it's kind of like if you want something from both stores, you got to think about, well, they're both having a sale at the same time, and which store is going to sell out faster. Overall, I'm really pumped about everything that I got. I got some really unique pieces and got some cute ones, and I can't wait to wear them. So if you enjoyed this haul, I hope you did. Make sure to give it a like, and if you are new, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I would love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.